Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk about seeds. But before then, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below here. Also ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Doesn't mean you have to watch it, but just let you know there's a new video out there. Also, if you have any friends, neighbors, relatives, co-workers that might be interested in any of these videos, please go ahead and click the share button right down there and share it out to them so they can get prepared as well. All right, seeds. Seeds I'm talking about are seeds for food. You know, things you plant. Cucumbers, cantaloupe, beets, corn, watermelons, whatever. Whatever you like to grow, you need to start saving seeds. But I don't grow anything. Uh-oh, somebody better get on the stick and plant something. Even people that live in apartments are able to plant stuff. If you don't believe me, go check out Kaylin Strain's video on her garden. Her channel is Kaylin Strain. So I will try to remember to put the link to Kaylin's channel up here. That way you can go find it. But even in apartments, you can grow stuff. And if you have a big yard, hey, you can plant something and grow stuff. Tomatoes grow fairly easy. I mean, I'm getting overloaded with the tomatoes I have. Swiss chard, you know, strawberries. There's a lot of things you can plant and grow to get food. And the more you grow to get food, the more money you'll actually save in the long run. And you'll be more ready during a disaster when the stores don't have food. Now, you're saying, well, all right, so how am I going to, what do you mean just store seeds? Well, there's several ways you can do it. One, you can go out and buy packets of seeds and put them away and store them for future use. And there are several videos out there on long-term storing of seeds. Just Google it. Also, you can harvest seeds yourself so you're not spending money on seeds after the first year of that particular crop. You plant cantaloupes, save the seeds. You plant tomatoes, save the seeds. And there are plenty of videos out there of the proper way to save seeds for different types of plants. All right. Now, before I go, I'd like to remind everybody to check out the end clip coming up here. It's got 20 seconds worth of information about other videos you might be interested in. All right. But as always, everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Don't do anything foolish so you can stay safe, and stay prepared. All right. See you in the next video.